It's time for us to color. Today we will color the car. Let's start doing it. Okay, here comes the car. Let's choose a beautiful color. We will try to choose orange color. For the bottom, we give a lighter orange color. Now it's time for the wheels that we give black. Rear wheel. And front wheel. Gray for the inside of the wheel. We give the blue color for the glass part of the car. And yellow for the headlights and top of the car. Let's give it a green color so that this plant looks beautiful. Let's add a gray color to make this road look good. Now we color the clouds with blue color. And parts of the sky in a lighter blue. Perfect. See you again, guys.